Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to dive deep into a very important and very trending topic, and that is, do detox diets really work? The detoxification is in really trend right now amongst mainly the young generation. So detox diet, does it really work? Like what are the components of detox diets, how detox diets functions, how detoxification functions in our body, and how it can help our body in the longer run, how it can make our body a healthy body. Okay, so let's understand it. I had tried giving it the scientific overview, rather than talking generally about it. I am going to start with the general overview of that, but then later on I have molded the presentation more towards the scientific part of it. Okay, so let's understand what are detox diets first of all. So see, detox diets detoxification के लिए काम आती है. Detoxification is mainly the cleansing of our body's toxins. हमारे बॉडी में जो भी टॉक्सिन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं अनहेल्दी ईटिंग के वजह से, ड्रिंकिंग इन सम केसेस, ड्रिंकिंग की वजह से, स्मोकिंग की वजह से, whatever, even if we are eating proper uh, food at home, then also there are chances that हमारे body में toxins होंगे because of oil consumption, the sugar consumption, and certain products are not healthy for our body, but then we tend to eat those products as like every day in our day-to-day lives. So detox diets claim to cleanse the body of toxins, like you know um, it cleanses out the toxins throughout the body. It is a very popular alternative medicine, and uh, it is very important in wellness culture. When you talk about wellness, जब आप wellness की बात करते हो, तो wellness में detox diets बहुत ही trending topic है, and everybody is consuming it, but some has knowledge of it, some understands it completely, and some does not have, and they are just doing it because of the influence. So they are marketed by various brands. They are marketed for weight loss के लिए market करते हैं, digestion improve करने के लिए market करते हैं, clearer skin के लिए marketed होते हैं ये products, and energy boosters के तरह भी ये market होते हैं. What are the forms? Juice, there are several juices are there, जो कि claim करते हैं that they can clean the toxins, they can cleanse the toxins, they can improve the skin texture, they can improve the overall digestion and everything like that. Fasting is also kind of a detox diet, where we try to fast for a day, or for a for one time, to for our body to process everything we have eaten so far in a week or whatever. So that varies among individuals, and that varies from body to body type. It's not likely that whatever is suiting me will suit you too. It's not going to happen like that. It definitely differs body to body type. So whenever, if we are trying to go for a certain detox diet, we need to understand our body type, particularly. It is very bio individual on that level. Okay, herbal supplements are definitely in the market as a form of detox diet. And colon cleansers, there are colon cleansers which creams that improves the digestion. Okay, so these are some of the forms. There are other forms as well. These are some of the forms. The scientific basis of detoxification, we have understood what is detoxification in general, but what is the scientific basis of it? So see, human body has efficient detoxification system. So even if we are not, following a certain diet, or incorporating certain products in our diet, Our body has this capability of detoxification, in itself. Our body does not need all these, nutrients from outer sources. Our body has that the capability to do it by itself. If we eat, normal ghar ka khana, that is also going to help, right? So liver, जो हमारे बॉडी का ऑर्गन होता है, what it does is it metabolizes the toxins into water soluble compounds. जब टॉक्सिन्स को वाटर soluble compound बना देता है, तो what will happen, वाटर soluble compound बना देंगे उसको, so it will excrete out through urine, in the human beings. सो लिवर एक वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम करता है डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन का. किडनीज जो है वो ब्लड को फिल्टर करती हैं एंड एक्सक्रीट द वेस्ट वाया यूरिन, जितना भी ब्लड में वेस्ट होता है. लंग्स जो हैं वो CO2 को एलिमिनेट करती हैं, वोलेटाइल टॉक्सिन्स को एलिमिनेट करती हैं, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी ब्रीथ द फ्रेश ऑक्सीजन. स्किन जो है वो बहुत ही माइनर रोल प्ले करती है, बट स्वेटिंग के थ्रू इट ऑल्सो रिलीजेस द टॉक्सिन्स आउट ऑफ द बॉडी. गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टिनल ट्रैक्ट जो होता है वो अनडाइजेस्टेड और हार्मफुल कंपाउंड्स जो होते हैं हमारे बॉडी में, वो उसको रिमूव करता है गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टिनल ट्रैक्ट. जैसे वॉट एवर वी हैव ईटन, उसमें से कुछ एक डाइजेस्टेबल पार्ट होता है एंड सम पार्ट इज अनडाइजेस्टेबल विच कैन नॉट बी डाइजेस्टेड बाय द बॉडी. तो वो अनडाइजेस्टेड पार्ट को रिमूव करने का काम गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टिनल ट्रैक्ट करता है. So, उस तरीके से दिस इज द साइंटिफिक बेसिस, लाइक आवर बॉडी हैज दिस कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन, and our body does this process continuously. Okay, now do detox diets eat these systems? Does detox diets help somewhere around these parts? Like, does it help scientifically? So see, there is very limited scientific evidence. Like, I have read multiple articles to gain some insights on the evidence part of it. What are the researches are being conducted. So there are several researches that are being conducted to understand the functioning of these particular diets to remove toxins from our body, but there is very limited scientific evidence. I have searched and I have found very limited scientific evidence for enhanced toxin removal. Like, whatever is happening in our body is happening in our body, but उसके अलावा if these diets are helping in the procedure, I have not seen that for sure. Most detox products lack peer reviewed validation. बहुत सारे ऐसे डिटॉक्स प्रोडक्ट्स मार्केट में हैं जो कि रिव्यूज नहीं हैं, उसके रिव्यूड वैलिडेशंस जो होते हैं वो नहीं हैं उनके. लाइक दे डू नॉट प्रोवाइड दोज पर्टिकुलर रिव्यूज फ्रॉम द कस्टमर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, सो दैट उनका जो मार्केटिंग है उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए. सो दे आर नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग द peer reviewed validation. Short-term weight loss often due to calorie restriction and water loss. So what happens if we follow a certain detox diet, for example, and in that diet अगर उसमें है see, if we are calling it as a diet, it will restrict some part of our regular eating things, right? So कुछ ना कुछ उसमें कम होगा. So water loss हो जाता है बॉडी में से, कैलोरी रेस्ट्रिक्शन होती है. वी कैन ओनली ईट अप टू अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ कैलोरी विच कैन फर्दर लीड टू शॉर्ट टर्म वेट लॉस विच इज नॉट एट ऑल हेल्दी. ओके, लाइक इफ वी आर टारगेटिंग वेट लॉस, वी शुड like take it as natural process. We should definitely exercise. We can do these physical and biological processes all together, but then if these diets are helping in the procedure, I'm not sure. Some diets may provide antioxidants, but benefits are not unique to the detox regimens. Like, diets definitely provide you with antioxidants, with the nutrients, but if they're helping in the detoxification of the body, that clinical evidence is not yet proved. What are the popular types of detox diets? As I said, juice cleanses. So liquid diets होते हैं जिसमें fruit and vegetable juices आते हैं, and they claim that they have added certain type of extracts from the plant or certain type of like juices in it, or like certain type of nutrients which can help in improving digestion, which can help in improving this texture of the skin, so and so. Fasting based detox, so this is more of a natural kind of detox. Fasting based detox, so what happens in fasting based detox, it is like intermittent fasting and water only fast. So some people do this intermittent fasting where we do not eat for a certain period of time. So for example, if I have eaten my dinner at 6 p.m., in the evening, so I am going to eat the morning lunch at around 11. So the time period between today's night and tomorrow's morning is, I am not eating anything in that particular time period. So that is intermittent fasting. Water only fast, some people go for water only fast once in a week, or once in 15 days, once in a month. So that depends, and that helps up to a certain extent. But again, I am saying this is bio individual. This is definitely, like, it depends on uh, the individual's body type, it depends on individual's nutrient uptake, it depends on uh, the structure of the body, it depends on the quality of the food, it depends on the diet also, what are you eating, all of those things. Herbal detox, there are several teas and supplements which are marketed for cleansing, such as green teas, black teas. There are several teas in the market, supplements in the market, which are marketed for cleansing the toxins from the body. There are colon cleansers as well, laxatives होते हैं, enemas, colon irrigation, ये सबको improve करने के काम करता है वो. Heavy metal detox products होते हैं. See, heavy metal detox products should not be consumed because वो unproven है. There is no proof कि वो benefit करते हैं body को, and they can definitely harm your body, you know, in some cases. So that's that. So what are the potential benefits? So I am not saying कि detox diet का कोई भी benefit नहीं है. So if you are taking a certain product, it might benefit you in some form of way, but not necessarily it is going to remove the toxins or all of the toxins from your body. So it definitely increases the fruit and vegetable intake in some regimens, because some people take fruit and vegetable juices, and eat the fruit and vegetable part, focus on that part more. So it definitely increases the fiber content of them, their body. It is possible that they might see short term weight loss in their body. Short term weight loss definitely वो देख सकते हैं, but again I am saying it is not necessary that short term weight loss will benefit everybody. It's not necessary. It can be harmful to certain body type, it can be good for certain body types. So that is bio individual. Psychological placebo effect and sense of control. So what happens, placebo control, placebo effect kya hai, that what happens if we take a certain diet, we have this thinking in our mind that it is going to affect, it is helping others, so it is going to affect. So even if that diet is not helping biologically in our body, or it is not doing nothing in our body, we still tend to feel that yeah, this is helping. So this is a placebo effect, but it is not necessary that it is helping in the body. May promote mindful eating and break from processed food. So this is one very important benefit which I see in following a certain kind of diet, that it may promote mindful eating. We look after that this is the thing I can eat, this is not the thing which I should eat. So we should not make our diet calorie deficit. We should try to maintain the calorie amount of the diet. So again I'm saying this can be beneficial, this can be harmful. All that can impact the beneficial and harmful part of it is the knowledge. We have to have this understanding of our body type, we have to have this understanding of the calorie part of every diet, and how like what amount of calories do we need, like that also differs for women's and men's. So we need to understand all of it in a very detailed manner for us to decide that what should we eat and what should we not eat. So it may definitely promote mindful eating. Certain people I have seen that they focus themselves on, uh, eating only the protein part of it, understanding it like that, that will benefit them, in the longer run. They'll build their body. It's not like that. Your body need carbs, your body need fiber content, your body need protein, your body need vitamins. We should eat mindfully. We should see, we can definitely calculate the calories, of whatever we are eating, and then we can break ourselves from processed foods such as chips and all the fast food that uh, we get from outside. So we can definitely cut ourselves from that and maintain a healthy diet. Okay, what are the risks and concerns now? See, this is a very important part associated with detox diets, because certain people does not have this knowledge and understanding of certain diets or following a certain protocol for a diet. So certain people just go and end up risking their health. सो न्यूट्रिशनल डेफिशिएंसीज ड्यू टू रेस्ट्रिक्टेड डाइट्स, बहुत ही ज़्यादा रेस्ट्रिक्ट, कहीं कहीं लोगों की डाइट्स बहुत ज़्यादा रेस्ट्रिक्टिव डाइट्स होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल कीटो डाइट है, बहुत रेस्ट्रिक्टिव डाइट होती है. सर्टेन पीपल कैन हैंडल इट, सर्टेन पीपल मे नॉट, माइट नॉट be able to handle it also. So nutritional deficiency कहीं ना कहीं बॉडी में हो जाती है, because certain people eat one type of food every day to for our body to understand the digestion part of it, so that it does not require more energy to do it every day, and our body sorts of understand how to digest that particular amount of food. But in if you are eating every portion, then it's fine. But if you are not eating every nutrient, then that can risk your health. Electrolyte imbalance and dehydration. Again, if you are following a certain diet and if it is not fulfilling the requirement which should be fulfilled, so that is going to imbalance the electrolyte concentration. It can lead to dehydration. There can be contamination risks in herbal supplements. So that is one part. Colon cleanses may cause infection, बावल इंजरी. सो वो एक चीज़ है. इन्फेक्शंस भी हो जाते हैं. लॉन्ग टर्म अनसस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड रिस्क ऑफ यो डाइटिंग. लॉन्ग टर्म पे अगर हम देखें समझें तो इट इज़ नॉट अ वेरी सस्टेनेबल थिंग टू डू, बिकॉज लॉन्ग टर्म पे वी कैन नॉट डू इट, राइट? So yo-yo dieting basically means a harmful pattern of repeatedly gaining and losing weights through restricted diets, which can definitely lead to negative health effects such as increased inflammation, health issues, heart issues, metabolic dysfunction, psychological distress, and all of that. So we need to understand it first. We need to understand so many things to follow a certain diet, a body type, the diet, what calories it is providing, how many calories do we need every day, what are the functions we carry out in the day. Are we uh, you know are we going to the gym or not? Are we working out or not? So for any particular diet, we need to have this knowledge of the particular body type, the nutrients in the diet which you are going to follow. What functions do you carry in a day? Do you work out? Do you work in a very exhaustive manner in a day, like 24/7 or something like that? Do you get enough sleep? So all of these factors needs to be aligned with whatever you are eating. Okay. So this is a very cloudy flowchart I have added here. Natural detox pathway which is done by our body. So liver has this capability of metabolizing the toxins into water soluble compounds. Kidneys filters the blood. Lungs filters the air intake of our body. So they lungs eliminate carbon dioxide and volatile gases. Skin, by sweating, try to remove some like toxins. Gastrointestinal tract also, when we eat a particular food, then it also through digestion it removes the unnecessary part. Then waste elimination. So this is the natural detox pathway which is present in our everybody's body. Scientific studies and evidences. So as I said, I have read several articles. Cochrane, there was this article from Cochrane, the Harvard Health, British Dietetic Association, and several small studies I have looked into. But I have gained no evidence, to support the detox claims. There are no scientific evidences as of now, but there are certain um, a number of studies going on. So let's see in the future if we get any type of product, but till now we have no scientific evidence to support these products, and small studies suggest improved markers, but sample sizes are very 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 limited. कुछ स्टडीज में ऐसा देखा गया है कि मार्कर्स जो हैं वो थोड़ा इम्प्रूव हो गए हैं डाइजेशन के, या फिर कोई भी स्किन टेक्सचर है तो, बट वो स्टडी साइज इतना लिमिटेड है दैट वी कैन नॉट से इट कि हाँ इट इज हैपनिंग. सो until and unless we study it on a large population or certain big studies this give this data to us, then this helps, we cannot say that this helps. Okay, moving forward. So here I have included a table of detox diets which versus natural detox system. So see, detox diets market, claim that they help in short-term weight loss. There is no scientific evidence, again I am saying, and there are possible risks associated with these detox diets such as nutritional deficiencies, dehydration, so and so. Detox diets are often expensive, and it is more of a celebrity driven trend. Certain people follow it just because the idols are doing it. So this should not be done. You have to have the understanding of it. They are following it because they have the understanding of it. They are not just following it for the sake of it. They have the proper understanding. They have their dietitians and they give them the full map of what should be eaten and what should not be eaten. So we have to have the knowledge to put certain thing in our mouth, in our body. Naturally, detox systems are scientifically proven. They are in our bodies. They are efficiently remove the toxins, and they are very essential for survival. Natural detox system जो होते हैं naturally functioning में help करते हैं body के, and they are free because they are built systems in our body. Future perspectives, as I said, the focus is on evidence-based nutrition rather than fads. We are definitely trying to research more on the evidence based nutrition, as in we can prove that certain type of supplements or certain type of products are helping. So evidence based nutrition पे research चल रही है. माइक्रोबायोम, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट, फंक्शनल फूड्स जो होते हैं इन पर और ज़्यादा रिसर्च करनी चाहिए एंड चल भी रही है, to understand how they can, if they can supply it to the body, and if they can improve the body's functions in any way. Personalized nutrition is very important trend in this detox diet. So it focuses on the particular diet for any individual of any for any individual's problem. So if somebody is dealing with certain kind of issues along with certain type of diseases, so a personalized diet can be given to that particular person which is suitable for that particular person only. So that is personalized nutrition. It depends on the genetics and metabolism and body type of that particular individual. And there is definitely the potential for AI driven dietary interventions. AI can definitely in the longer run can help to understand the dietary interventions, and if some mix and match can be done to provide human beings a good dietary options or good dietary supplements or good diet detox diet which can help remove toxins from our body. Okay, so these are some of the references which I have used. I have read these articles, and so that's that. Thank you so much for watching. It's lovely talking to you. This was more of a generalized topic, and I have tried to give it a scientific, turn. I hope this video helped you. If you have any doubts, please do let me know below in the comment section. If you want any particular topic of your choice to be explained by me, please do let me know below in the comment section. I'll definitely make a separate video on whatever topic you suggest. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.